Welcome to Learn with me and Alia.
So let's find out the 10th answer. Indicate which pair of angles are vertically opposite angles. Here given one figure, we have to find out the vertically opposite angles. What are vertically opposite angles? Yes, we know if two lines are intersected, then there will form two pair of opposite angles. That two pair of opposite angles are called vertically opposite angle. Okay. Here this line and this line are intersect at this point, right? So here will form 1 and 4 are opposite angles. So it is the vertically opposite angles. Angle 1 and angle 4 are vertically opposite angle. Also this angle 5 and this angle, here one extra line also come. So we can say this angle. So only these angles, angle 1 and angle 4 are the vertically opposite angle in this figure. Okay. No more other lines are intersect. Right? Okay. So let's take it second question. We have to find the linear pairs from the given figure. Okay. What are linear pairs? Linear pairs are those angles whose lying on the straight line and its sum is always 180 degree. Okay. Here consider the straight line. This straight line. Then what are the angles? Angle 5 and angle 1. Second answer. Angle 5 and angle 1. Consider this straight line. Then the angle on this line is angle 5 and angle 1. Okay. Then the downer part of that line is, what are the angles? Angle 4, angle 3, angle 2. Yes. Angle 4, angle 3, angle 2. This also a linear pair, right? Angle 3, angle 4, angle 2. Then consider the line, this line. Okay. What are the linear pairs? Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. Right. Consider this line. Then the angle lying on this line is angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. Okay. These three angles are linear pairs. Then consider this line and its upper portion. What are the angles? Angle 4 and angle 5. Angle 4 and angle 5. These angles also lying on this line. So angle 4 and angle 5 also linear pairs. Right? So this is the required solution of the second question, linear pair. What are the linear pairs? Okay. Now let's find out the 11th question answer. Is angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent angles? Give reason. Okay, that is the question. What are the conditions if two angles are adjacent? What are the conditions satisfied? Yes, first condition is that two angles have a common vertex. Here, let's check. Is angle 1 and angle 2 have a common vertex? Angle 1 vertex is this one. Suppose this is O and angle 2 vertex. Suppose this is A. So there is no common vertex. So first condition of the adjacent angles is not satisfied. So we can say angle 1 and angle 2 are not an adjacent angles. Okay. This is the last question of this exercise 5.1. We have to find out the value of x and y, x, y, z. Okay. So here I am giving lines name. Suppose this line is AB and this line is CD. Then we have to find out the value of x, y, z. Here line AB and this line AB and CD are intersect at a point. This point, right? So these angles, angle AOD and suppose this is O, meet at a point O. Okay. Then angle AOD and COB are vertically opposite angle, right? So we can say angle AOD equal to angle COB. COB, that is angle COB means X. Angle AOD means 55. So this angle X also equal to 55. Okay. That is X equal to 55 degree. Okay. Then how to find this Y? Yes, we know. Consider the line AB. Okay. Consider this line AB and here angle BOC and angle COA are linear pair, right? Yes. Why? Angle BOC and angle COA, because they are lying on this line AB, right? Okay. Are linear pair. Okay. So its sum is always 180 degree. So angle BOC plus angle COA equal to 180. Here BOC equal to 55, that we know. So 55 plus angle COA equal to 180 degree. Okay. Then angle COA. From this equation we can find the value of angle COA. 180 minus 55. That is equal to 125 degree. Angle COA. COA. This Y equal to 125 degree. Okay. Then what is the value of this Z, angle Z? Yes, we know the line AB and CD are intersect at a point O. Then the angle, the Y and Z are vertically opposite angles. Okay. So this Z also 125 degree. We know vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay. So here we can write Y and Z are vertically opposite angle. So if Y equal to 125 degree, then Z equal to Z also equal to 125 degree, because vertically opposite angles are equal. So here X equal to 45 degree, Y equal to 125 degree, Z also equal to 125 degree. Okay. This is the required solution of the question number 12. Okay. Let's do the 12th second one question. Here we have to find the value of X, Y, Z. Here listen here, the lines. Consider this line and this line. These two lines are intersect at a point this. Then what are the vertical opposite angles? This Z and this 40. This angle 40 are vertically opposite angles. So we can say this Z equal to 40 degree, because vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay. For your better understanding, I am drawing that picture here. This is 40 given. We have to find this Z. That is also equal to 40 degree, because vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay. So let's consider this line. How to find this Y? Yes, we know this angle Z and angle Y are linear pairs. Angle Z and angle Y are linear pair because they are lying on this line. On this line, right? Okay. So their sum is always equal to 180 degree. Here one angle is given 40. So angle Y equal to 180 minus angle Z, that means 40. That is equal to 140 degree. Angle Y equal to 140 degree. Okay, consider the line. This line. Okay, what are the linear pairs? This angle and these three lines, these three angles are linear pair, right? Angle X, angle 25, angle 40. These three lines are linear pair. So their sum also equal to 180 degree. So we can write 40 plus X plus 25. Consider this line. These three angles are lying on this line. So their sum is equal to 180 degree. So from this equation we can find 40 plus 25 equal to 65 plus X equal to 180 degree. From this equation we can find the value of X, 180 minus 65, that is equal to 115. Okay, so the value of X is equal to 115 degree. Okay, what are the values? Angle X is equal to 115, angle Y equal to 140, angle Z is equal to 40 degree. This is the required solution of the 11th question. Okay.
Thanks for watching.